All right, everybody, welcome back. We are on level 6 of lesson 6, variables and if statements. So this says changing positions. The counter pattern can also be used to change the position of elements on the screen. Let's make a program where pressing the left button moves the bird up and pressing the right button moves the bird down. Note, remember that Y positions are reversed on the screen. Moving up means subtracting and moving down means adding. So do this. Inside the button L event, subtract 1 from the Y position variable. Run your code and test that the bird is able to move up. All right, so let's start there. We're going to add our variable. We're going to say Y position gets Y position minus 1. Yes. All right. All right. And you know what? Just, okay, we're going to follow that. So then it says inside the button R event, add 1 to the Y position variable. So we're going to do the same thing here. And we're going to say Y position gets Y position plus 1. All right. All right. So let's see if that worked correctly. We're going to run it. We're going to use our circuit board. And so every time I press the left button, the bird goes up. Whenever I press the right button, the bird goes down. And just to make this a little more obvious, instead of going up and down 1, we're going to go up and down 10. That's going to make the bird really fly. So we're going to reset. We're going to run. All right. So right here. All right. It's going up and it's going down. Excellent. Okay. So we're gonna press the orange finish button and I will see you on level 7. Here we go.